Hi there, students. Dross. Okay, dross is an uncountable noun, I think mostly used by the British. It talks about something that has no value. It's of no use. It's just such bad quality. It's really ready to throw away. So a large amount of the programming of television nowadays is just dross. It's absolute rubbish. There seem to be very few real writers today. Most of the literature that is produced is sheer dross. It's just rubbish. Okay, now let's look at the real or the original meaning of dross, and it still means it. When you melt metals, when you're purifying metals, for example, in a blast furnace, you get impurities that float to the surface. These are normally low melting point metals. So if you melt iron, you will find a dross, a scum, on the top of maybe small amounts of zinc and lead, or aluminium or different alloys. Okay, so the dross is this scum that has floated to the surface when you melt metals, and this residue is something that you need to get rid of. It's of no use, but that itself is very technical, and nowadays we use dross to mean something that's worthless, commonplace, or trivial. The products that this company makes are absolute dross. Okay, they're worthless and of no quality. Let's see, when you are choosing a candidate for a job, normally you separate the good candidates from the dross, the people who are not really very suitable for your job. They're very ordinary or commonplace. Okay, so dross, trivial, inferior, not good quality junk, refuse, scrap, trash, waste. So there's a lot of dross on TV. He was talking absolute meaningless dross. It had no value whatsoever. Okay, so dross, rubbish, something that you don't really want or really need. So what about formality? I think I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it just about anywhere. People are going to understand this word very easily. And then as to origin, okay, we have an Old English word, dross, which has the meaning of a sediment or dregs or something like that, and it comes from Proto-Germanic droshmo, okay, which comes from dragio, which is a yeast or a sediment. So it comes effectively from the same root as this word dregs. Okay, so the dross, the rubbish. You should watch my videos, not concern yourself about the other dross that you can watch on YouTube. Okay, so dross. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dross.